Welcome to this IELTS Writing tutorial. In this video, I'll analyze the question type and essay structure, share a Band 8.5 sample essay, and summarize advanced phrases and practical tips to help you write your own essay. Check the first comment for the PDF link. Let's get started. Question: in some countries, even though the rates of serious crimes are decreasing, people feel less safe than ever before. What do you think are the causes of this problem, and what measures could be taken to solve it? Before diving into the structure, let's first analyze the question type. This is a cause and solution question, which requires you to identify the causes of the issue presented and suggest appropriate solutions. In this question, you need to explain why people feel less safe and how this problem can be addressed. There are 3 parts to this essay: introduction paragraph, body paragraphs, and conclusion paragraph. In the introduction paragraph, we start by paraphrasing the question. Despite a noticeable decline in serious crime rates, many people still feel unsafe. Then, clearly state the main idea, identifying the causes of fear and offering solutions to make people feel safer. Let's see the body paragraphs. The body consists of 2 parts: causes and solutions. First, let's focus on the causes of the problem. The first cause is media coverage. News outlets focus on shocking crimes, making crime seem more common than it is. For example, rare violent events dominate headlines, ignoring the decline in crime rates. The second cause is mistrust in law enforcement. People doubt the authorities' ability to protect them due to slow responses, corruption, or mishandled cases. Then, we move on to the solutions paragraph. The second body paragraph provides 2 practical solutions. The first solution is for the media to provide accurate and balanced reporting, and government educate people about the real crime. The second solution is for governments to rebuild trust by engaging with communities and investing in advanced crime-fighting technologies. Let's look at the last part of the essay, the conclusion paragraph. The essay concludes by summarizing the causes discussed: media sensationalism and mistrust in law enforcement. Then, restate solutions that balanced reporting and public confidence are key to make people feel safe. Now let's go through the sample essay.
In some countries, despite a noticeable decline in serious crime rates, many people still feel increasingly unsafe. This problem arises from several factors, but there are practical measures that can help address it. One primary cause is the extensive coverage of crime in the media. News outlets often focus on rare but shocking crimes, making crime seem more common than it truly is. For instance, reports on rare violent incidents often dominate headlines, making people ignore the decline in crime rates. Social media worsens this by spreading unverified or exaggerated stories, which heightens public anxiety about personal safety. Another contributing factor is the lack of trust in the police and justice system. Even with fewer crimes, many people doubt the authorities' ability to protect them. This mistrust often stems from slow responses, corruption, or high-profile cases where justice wasn't properly served. To tackle this issue, several actions can be taken. First, Media outlets should provide balanced reporting by highlighting positive trends, such as successful crime prevention programs or reductions in crime rates. Governments can also run public awareness campaigns to educate citizens about the real crime situation and steps taken to protect them. Secondly, strengthening trust in law enforcement is crucial. Authorities should engage more with local communities, showing that they are committed to safety. Additionally, investing in advanced technology, such as improved surveillance systems and faster emergency responses, can help reassure people that their safety is a priority. In conclusion, although declining crime rates should make people feel safer, fear persists due to media sensationalism and mistrust in law enforcement. By promoting balanced reporting and rebuilding public confidence in the justice system, societies can help individuals feel more secure.
That's the end of the sample essay. Here's a quick summary of advanced phrases from the essay that you can use in your own writing when discussing crime and safety topics. Introduction.
1. Noticeable decline. 2. Problem arises from several factors. 3. Take measures to solve problems.
Phrases for causes.
1. Extensive coverage in the media. 2. Dominate headlines. 3. Spread unverified or exaggerated stories. 4. Lack of trust in the police and justice system. 5. Heighten public anxiety. 6. Stem from slow responses, corruption, or high-profile cases.
Phrases for solutions.
1. Tackle the issue. 2. Take steps or actions. 3. Highlight positive trends. 4. Run public awareness campaigns to educate citizens. 5. Improved surveillance systems. 6. Faster emergency responses.
Conclusion.
1. Media sensationalism. 2. Mistrust in law enforcement. 3. Rebuild public confidence in the justice system.
Paraphrasing is essential for a strong introduction. In this essay, you can replace even though with despite, decrease with decline, less safe with unsafe, and solve, address. That's the end of today's tutorial. I hope this video helps you improve your IELTS writing skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next video.